everyone, I am Sidharth from New Delhi. यूके डिपेंडेंट वीज़ा के लिए मैंने स्मार्ट मूव टू यूके लॉ फर्म को अप्रोच किया एंड आई गॉट ए पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट विद इन ए वीक. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू भूमिका मैम that at every moment of time we took care of the application and provided every detailed information at every moment of time, and I got no problem regarding application procedure, and I am really thankful for the entire application team who made it possible with their hard effort to get the visa of my wife. When I came across the document procedure of the smart move, I got really confident that you people will definitely go through the entire process and I will feel no hurdle in the application process. Then I got a little bit confidence for my wife then when I shared this documents process with her, and she permitted me to proceed with you people. And that was the main reason that I was searching for the strong consultancy agency in India, that the smart moves that I really got and find you.
So when you first got introduced and you kind of had the first level of conversation with my team, did you feel very confident at that moment? Did you think most of the things
after that
resolved?
that conversation with the first people that I get contacted, the Namata ma'am and the Joyce ma'am, and they talked me a lot about 15 to 20 minutes. They listened all my documents which I was having of myself, especially my documents, which documents do I have and what are the documents that my wife have. And after getting a thorough discussion with her, and I came to the conclusion that you people have a lot of information and well experienced staff you have, that I can proceed further with you.
So at point of time, you were happy with the conversation you were having with teams. So the first level of your conversation, then I believe there was a consultation as well where you spoke to our.
Yes, ma'am.
And then finally,
Yes, ma'am.
You thought that you should do. So you were happy with the process, that you got everything documented.
Yes, ma'am. I am very happy with your process, and I have never seen such a consultancy in India who have transparency in their working profile. For example, at every document you have a lot of depth, lot of knowledge of every document, which type of document should be produced, in what format they should be produced, what are the required size of the files, and which documents should I produce, which documents should be executed from the application process. This type of information which I generally didn't get from any type of consultancy agency in India. And whenever I talk with you and with your Banfi ma'am, who held a video conferencing with me about half an hour, I put all the documents we discussed, and we make it and we prepared a chart especially of all the documents. Then I believe that you people are going to do a great job, and these are the people which feelings come from the inside that something is going to be happen which is in a positive way.
That's so very nice. That's so very nice, isn't it? That bond and that connect happens instantly only when you are able to when you are talking to us or when you approached us. I'm sure you're a bit worried and there's a lot of concerns that you have, and when you kind of speak to our team and that eases out, that you think that all right, things will be fine from here and now. I think that is what is the aim of Smart Move to UK, is to make sure that once you have taken us on board, your worries are eased out, and the team's there to take care of every concern that you have from there now. So I'm happy that we were able to live up to our ethos.
Yes, ma'am.
To that extent.
Yes, ma'am. At every moment of a time, whenever I feel doubt, whenever I feel that I need some information, I knocked you, especially Bhumika ma'am. Whenever I called her, she replied immediately. And I know that when she was in leave, she handled my case and put my application in the fast track, that I got the visa within a week after filing.
Very nice.
And she was on leave, and she made it happen for me, especially before her leave, so that I can get the VFF appointment for my wife. And that's great from your side, ma'am. Actually, thanks to the Bhumika ma'am, especially.
That is so nice. I'm sure she'll be very, very happy to know about this here. So what are particularly still the very key areas where you think the team was extremely helpful? I mean, that if this team wasn't there, merely by going through 𝐿𝐷.UK website or taking help online or asking friends and family, this particular part of the application wouldn't have got resolved. This was like the key highlight of the help.
Ma'am, actually I feel that there is nothing to mention that in which particular area should I appreciate you, because from starting point to the getting the visa approval, at every moment of time you people help me a lot, and there is no need to improvement in any step, especially from your side. You have done a lot from the expectation, and that's what I want to share, and I am really appreciate and grateful for you people.
Okay.
You have a very well maintained and very well experienced people in your entire in your organization, ma'am.
Thank you. And would you, if you had to recommend SmartMove2UK to your friends and family, do you think you would be able to do that?
I will recommend 100% to any people. They can blindfolded believe you. Blindfolded believe you.
Thank you very
Only
much.
only the name SmartMove is enough for any people to go with you, because I have already, before coming to you, ma'am, I would like to say correctly that I have searched more than 10 agencies. I have still my 50,000 in some agency. Already advance payment I have given for my parents' visa, which I will not going to take service from them, because whenever I have got contacted with you people and the process which I have seen that you are working in such a way that I will leave that 50,000 in that agency, particular agency. I will not get my work done from them, and I will definitely go with my parents' visa to from your side. And because that working of your team is such a great methods, and you are adopting such a great procedure, and every step you are helping client and discussing with every documents that no such other consultancy agency in India provide such a type of especially in the visa application process, such a type of work I've not seen in any consultancy agency in India, ma'am, actually.
Thank you so
I
very
have gone
much.
through a lot of
Thank you, Mr. Sidharth. I think this is where we strive in terms of our value systems, in terms of what we want to offer. It's not another client or another case for us. This is very important for us as much as it is important for you to get this approval. So we strive towards assuring that we leave no stone unturned. We ensure that everything is as smooth, and the biggest thing that we try to achieve, that you as the applicant or you as the sponsor in this application should not be worried. They should be able to have trust in us that we are able to process everything smoothly for you, and the ease and the smoothness with which the whole process should go in. I'm happy that we were able to leave that experience, that you were not worried whilst we were working. You were sure that everything is taken care of, everything is dealt in adequately, and there is always a response available, so the team is always there to help you, to guide you, to respond to you at every step. And so you did not find this challenging. Any other suggestions that you would have in terms of in terms of your feedback, in terms of how would you rate us from 1 to 10, if you have to, 10 being the best?
10 star is very low. 100 star.
Thank you.
100 star. 10 star is very low.
Thank you so much. You made my day. You made my day,
service,
Mr. Sidharth.
Ma'am, your service is beyond star. Definitely. And 10 star is very low. I will give you more than 100 star in whatever the star. I will definitely go to the infinity level, because the service which I got from you, and the hesitation which I had prior to the application, and the happiness moment which I and my wife is feeling right now, is more than these stars and these ratings. These ratings and stars are nothing in front of your service that you have provided me, actually.
So much. Thank you so very much, Mr. Sidharth. You really made my day by saying that, every time we are striving, we are having internal trainings, we are helping the team to be updated, to be up over there. I'm a solicitor from the UK, so all this team is trained by me to sort of give that best of the services, and I feel so happy when I hear this from the clients that we're able to live up to everything that we're aspiring for, because sometimes, you cannot be there everywhere, but the
Yes,
team has
ma'am.
to speak for what we stand for, and I'm happy that you got that kind of support entirely. And I was happy because I was viewing your paperwork, I was looking into what
Yes,
we're
ma'am.
submitting, I kind of reviewed even before you submitted, so I knew you even before I met you, sort of a thing there. But it's good
Yes,
to
ma'am.
see you in person and know you. And I'm very happy that you're satisfied. I'm very, very happy that you got through with the end results for which you kind of had trust and you took in our services. And thank you so much for having that trust. And
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome.